Hello, welcome to Santa Ana College Basic Fire Academy. My name is Fred Ramsey, and I'll be the instructor for this course. I'd like to speak a little bit about the Fire Academy and how we're going to navigate our course using Canvas. We're a 16-week hybrid course. Approximately 25% of our course is done online. The balance is done in a traditional Fire Academy setting. We're on our home page. This is what you're going to see when you log into the Fire Academy on Canvas. On the left-hand side, there's a link to our syllabus and a link to our modules. These are also links to our modules, and if you open them up, they show you what's going to happen during that particular week. We're on our first week, and we have a welcome message to the Santa Ana Fire Academy, another link to our syllabus. Very important, how you're going to contact me if you have any questions, issues, and our communication plan, how we're going to talk with each other while we're in the academy. Then your first reading assignment, the Fire Academy Rules and Regulations and Firefighter Code of Ethics. And after you read those, there's going to be a quiz on the Rules and Regulations and Firefighter Code of Ethics. We're going to have a discussion on that as well. Continuing on in Module 1, we'll have a Fire Academy orientation. You're going to have a reading assignment, and that reading assignment is going to be Chapter 1 of our textbook, which is ISTA Essentials. After you've read that, there's going to be a discussion on that information. Going to have a quiz on Chapter 1, and then we really want to get to know you a little better, so you're going to do a personal history statement, basically a resume on yourself. We're going to have a summary on our first course, and then at the end of every course we have an anonymous course survey that we want you to fill out for us. Very helpful. So I hope that gives you a little insight on what we're going to do when we're in the academy. As always, I'm always open for any questions. You have my contact information, and I look forward to seeing you all on orientation day.